The case of Robert Gaines, a quiet black farmer who inherited 1,500 acres of land from his grandfather, began as a story of injustice but ended as a powerful lesson in resilience and legal triumph. Robert's land had been in his family for generations, but when the local homeowners association, HOA, grew desperate for funds to maintain their exclusive gated community, they claimed Robert's property had fallen into disuse and, without his knowledge, illegally auctioned it off for pennies. When Robert discovered what had happened, he was devastated but not defeated. Instead of reacting with anger, he hired a skilled attorney and launched a legal battle that quickly revealed the HOA had not only violated his property rights but had also engaged in years of shady dealings. The court sided with Robert, ruling the sale unlawful and returning the land to its rightful owner. But Robert didn't stop there. He realized the HOA members had built their lavish homes on portions of land that legally still belonged to his family. Rather than forgive their wrongdoing, Robert exercised his rights and placed the very houses the HOA members lived in on the market. Shock rippled through the community as the same people who once dismissed him now found eviction notices taped to their front doors. Some begged for leniency, others threatened lawsuits, but Robert stood firm. He explained that for decades, black families like his had been stripped of land, dignity, and opportunities through fraudulent sales and discriminatory practices. Now, for once, justice was on his side. Within months, buyers lined up to purchase the homes at market price, and Robert walked away with millions, enough to not only secure his family's future but also fund scholarships for underprivileged students in his community. The story made national headlines, sparking debates about systemic racism in housing and the power dynamics of HOAs. What began as an attempt to rob Robert of his inheritance ended with him turning the tables entirely, legally and decisively. In the end, Robert's calm perseverance proved more powerful than greed and deceit, and his victory stood as a reminder that justice, though delayed, can still be delivered. His land was not only restored but also transformed into a symbol of resistance and triumph, proving that when the law is used fairly, even centuries of prejudice can be challenged and overturned.